Today I'm making a super simple 3-ingredient cherry chocolate cake using just cake mix, eggs, and cherry pie filling. To make this recipe, you want some devil's food or any kind of chocolate cake mix. And all we're going to do is we're going to put all this into our mixing bowl, mix it up, and pop it in the oven to bake. So we're going to use this entire package of cake mix, and we're only going to use the mix. We're not going to go by the directions on the back and add all this other stuff. So to that, we're also going to add our cherry pie filling. This is 21 ounces of cherry pie filling. We're going to use this entire can. And this is going to give it a lot of flavor. It's going to taste like cherry chocolate, and it's going to make it really nice and moist. So we don't have to add any oil or butter or anything like that. Oh, doesn't that look good already? And to that, we're going to add 3 eggs. Now, something really cool about this recipe is that if you don't want to add any eggs, then you can actually get away with not adding eggs to this recipe. But I do like it a little bit better with the eggs. And my chickens are laying really well right now, so I'm adding the eggs. Now that we have all 3 of our ingredients in there, I'm going to take this Danish dough whisk and I'm just going to give this a really good mix. You just want to mix it until it's all combined and none of that cake mix is left dry in your bowl. I do normally bake from scratch. I just enjoy it, but sometimes I really enjoy reaching for a cake mix. This is so easy and so fast when I don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen today. Look at that. Doesn't this look good? I wish that y'all could smell this. It smells like cherries and chocolate, and you know that's going to taste good. Okay, it's already time to get this into our cake pan. For this recipe, I'm going to use just a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish, cake pan, whatever you have about that size is perfect. Now, if you want to dress up this recipe a little bit, you can add some almond extract, about a half a teaspoon of almond extract. That's really good. It goes really well with the cherries and the chocolate. You can add some chocolate chips to the batter or on top. But I'm keeping it really simple today, and it is good just like this. Once you have all your batter in the pan, just spread it out just so it fills your entire pan, and that is all it's going to take. Now I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to let this bake about 25 to 30 minutes. I just pulled my 3-ingredient chocolate cherry cake out of the oven. I let it bake for 28 minutes. I did the toothpick test just to be sure that it was baked all the way inside. Your oven might be a little bit different, so be sure to start checking yours at about 25 minutes. But this looks good, and I cannot wait to take a little bite. I better let it cool off just a little bit so I don't burn my mouth. Oh my goodness, so much flavor. It tastes like a chocolate-covered cherry, and you know how good that is. This doesn't even need anything on top, but some homemade chocolate frosting would be really good. Some powdered sugar even, maybe some whipped cream, a scoop of ice cream. Oh my goodness, but this is fantastic just like this. Wow. This is what I was needing today. I needed a chocolate treat. This was quick. This is hitting the spot. I'll leave the printable recipe for this 3-ingredient chocolate cherry cake down in the description and on my website, robynonthefarm.com. I highly recommend this. It is good and easy and only 3 ingredients. If you like this simple recipe, I bet you'll also like my 3-ingredient apple spice cake, my 2-ingredient lemon cloud cake, or my pumpkin dump cake. I'll leave links to those recipes down in the description, or you can find them on robynonthefarm.com.
Robyn's in the kitchen, dough beneath her hands, wheat from the fields and eggs from her land. Sunlight through the window, a warm golden glow. She's working hard to make that dough. With flour on her apron, loving each need, ground wheat fresh, sowing her seed. The smell of fresh bread rises in the air. Simple life without a care.